Incoming. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. On this channel we talk about studying, working and living in the UK as a foreign national. If you're interested in topics like this, join the community by subscribing to this YouTube channel. Likewise, follow my Pathway UK on Instagram and on Facebook for more information about life in the UK too. Today's video is very different. Today's video is a house tour, an empty house tour here in Manchester. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So when you come in from the entrance door, you see a radiator to your right, and just to keep you warm. And here we have a little bit of landing or entrance, I would say. And from the entrance, we move towards the kitchen straight away. So the kitchen is moderate in size, not quite big, with a small kitchen. And we have a dishwasher. These are like really small compared to what I'm used to. But yeah, we have our dishwasher. And then we have a washing machine. And here we have like a storage under the zinc, and where we can also take our water reading. Moving on, we have our freezer. So this is the fridge up, yeah, and this is the freezer. So it says the apartment would be clean, but the apartment is not that clean. We still have to do some cleaning because I can see some stains in the fridge. And here we have our cooker. So this is an inductive tabletop cooker. And then we have our oven just down here. This is kind of the size I'm used to, and it's fine. Here we have storage, just like 3 drawers. Yeah, we have storage. We have more storage and more storage. Here we have our boiler, no storage. So we have the boiler here, and here we have storage. This is the vent for taking out hot air. This is the vent for taking out hot air or smoke or heat when you're cooking, and it also has lighting. We have storage, and more storage. So basically, it's quite spacious when it comes to storage because you can fit in a whole lot of things. And I think this kitchen is fine for a family of 4. Basically, it's a nice kitchen, and that's what I like about the kitchen is that when it's dark, maybe in the evening or at night time, and you don't want on the main light, so you can just off the main light, and then you can on the light under the shelves. And yeah, you don't need so much light, right? Just need a little light, so you can just on the light on that here, and yeah, that works. And from the kitchen, we move on to this walkway, and on my right we have the downstairs toilet. So the toilet is sizable. This is the toilet, and in the toilet we have a sink, we have a mirror, and we have a sink, we have a mirror, we have where you put your tissue, we have where you could hang your towel or your jacket when you put in the toilet, and you have the radiator just to keep you warm during winter. We have railings where you can dry your towels or just hang towels, and here we have like the WC. So basically, not so much going on in the toilet. So from the toilet, we'll move on to the parlor, like the living area, and here. So this is our living space. So this living space will double as our living space and my husband's work area because he works remotely from home, and it's quite sizable. And outside we have our garden. We have where we can dry our clothes. So this came with the house. We did not do this there. So we have where we can dry clothes, and then we have a football post. I'm guessing the former tenant of this house has it, or probably the letting agent has here. Another thing I like about this area is that there's a door that is regarding, and if you don't want to open the door, there's like a window, like you can open, and it's at both ends, so you can just open the window for like fresh air. So yeah, so that's that, and you can also lock it with keys for security purposes. So moving on my right hand there we have the downstairs storage. So it's quite sizable. This is the storage. It's sizable. So yeah, this is the storage. So yeah, that's the storage. So moving on upstairs, because it's a 2-bed. So this is stairs that leads upstairs. I like it because it's wide and your feet can like fit in the stairs, like not the one that just be here and you almost want to fall. So let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. So upstairs to my left we have the master bedroom. So come in. So this is the master bedroom. Yeah. So the master bedroom has like this wardrobe that has this huge mirror. Hi. So it has this huge mirror, like really huge mirror. But it's just that it's not divided, so you can only hang your clothes. But then there's this place where you can keep the boxes. But here, this is the mirror and it's easy to slide. So this is the master bedroom. Nothing too big, nothing too fancy. It has like plugs and it has blinds. So the blinds came with the house. So these are blinds. And here we have a good view of the neighborhood. Like there's a school just right opposite us. And that's one reason we chose this area, because it's like family friendly, home oriented kind of area. So moving on, we have the upstairs bedroom and toilets. So here we have our sink. Yeah, so you can wash your hands and have like a little bit of storage for brush and toothpaste and soap, things like that. A little bit of storage, not much storage in the toilet. We have like this doubles as a radiator, like a heater, and where you can dry the towels. And we have where we can hang, where you can put like tissue. And here is the bathtub, so just shower. Here is our little landing. It's just like our landing, like a small pathway that links between 2 rooms and then the toilet and then the stairs. So here we have our radiator, just so we have this one. This is how we warm the winter. So moving on, we have the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom, quite sizable for a second bedroom. And in this bedroom we also have lovely view of the neighborhood. Here you can't see much houses, but you enjoy the greenery. Yeah. And one thing I like about this house is the ventilation is so cool, and then there's a lot of lighting. And here we also have the blinds. We have like your plugs for charging and things like that. And here we have storage in this room. So we have like storage. This can double for storage or for like wardrobe. I prefer it as storage. I think we're going to use it for storage. So here we have storage. So basically, that's it. That's it. So this house is a 2-bed and it's a mid-terrace house. So we got this property for £875 per month. So, and it's a 2-bed, is in Manchester, And here I love the property. It comes with essential things, and the lighting is amazing, the ventilation is amazing, and the house is a good house. And we didn't get it from a private landlord, we got it from we got it from an agency, so a rental company. So they are called Also. I'll leave the link in the description box if you're looking for houses. I'll say you should go with Also if you're looking for houses. They have amazing houses. So yeah, with this, we've come to the end of today's video. Do not forget to share the video with someone you think will find it helpful. Bye for now, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. A good thing for renting a house, not an apartment or a flat in the UK, is that you can get your meals directly. For the very first time, we'll be getting our meals directly. We don't have to go to the concierge or to the parcel room. We can just get our meals here, which is nice. So that's a good thing of living in a house, that an apartment or a flat here in the UK.